robots have been around for decades. So what is everyone suddenly talking about, physical AI? Is it just a new name for the same old robot? Or is something genuinely different happening right now? Traditional robots are powerful but predictable. They follow a fixed set of instructions, do one job repeatedly, and work best in perfectly controlled environments like car factories. Change anything, and they stop working. Physical AI is something different. It is a robot that can look at the world around it, understand what it sees, make decisions, and physically act, all on its own. It learns. It adapts. It handles situations it has never seen before. Here is the clearest way to see the difference. Traditional robotics runs on rules someone programmed in advance. Physical AI runs on understanding, it figures things out as it goes, just like a person would. And that one difference, the ability to understand and adapt, is what makes physical AI potentially the most transformative technology of our lifetime. In healthcare, physical AI robots can support nurses by bringing essential supplies, assisting patients with care, and smoothly navigating crowded hospital rooms with precision and safety. In warehouses, physical AI robots work side by side with human teams, sorting, packing, and transporting products. They take on the repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing people to focus on problem-solving, coordination, and higher-value work. At home, physical AI can support elderly individuals, or those with disabilities, carrying groceries, picking up household items, and offering a steady helping hand when family members aren't nearby. On construction sites, and in hazardous environments, physical AI robots step in where human safety is at risk, lifting heavy loads, operating in extreme heat or toxic conditions, and dramatically reducing the chance of injury. Every major economy, the United States, China, Europe, and Japan, is racing to take the lead in physical AI. This isn't a niche innovation. It's the next global platform, as transformative today as the Internet was 3 decades ago. Here's the question on everyone's mind: will physical AI take our jobs? It's a fair concern. The honest answer is that, yes, some roles will evolve. But history reminds us of something powerful: technology doesn't just replace work, it reshapes it, creating new opportunities we couldn't imagine before. Every major wave of technology, the Industrial Revolution, computers, the Internet, did eliminate some jobs, but it created far more new ones. The workforce didn't shrink. It shifted, expanded, and gave rise to roles no one had imagined before. Physical AI is already opening the door to entirely new careers: AI robot trainers, maintenance technicians, safety supervisors, and operations managers. These roles demand human judgment, creativity, and empathy, qualities that machines cannot replicate. Another pressing concern is who truly benefits. Right now, physical AI remains costly, and early access often favors large corporations. That raises an important question: will smaller businesses and everyday communities be left behind, or can this technology be made inclusive? Trust is another critical issue. If a physical AI robot makes an error in a hospital or at home, who bears responsibility? How can we be certain it's safe? These are urgent questions that regulators, companies, and governments are working hard to answer right now. Adoption is not instant. Reliability in unpredictable real-world situations, high upfront costs, and the need for clear safety regulations are real hurdles that the industry is still working through. The future isn't about robots replacing humans, it's about humans and physical AI working side by side, each excelling at what they do best. Machines will take on the dangerous, repetitive, and physically exhausting tasks, while people bring judgment, creativity, and human connection. Physical AI is no longer science fiction, it's here today, in hospitals, warehouses, homes, and construction sites. The real question isn't whether this technology will spread, but how we shape it together, so it serves everyone. The choices we make now will decide whether physical AI becomes a tool of inclusion and empowerment, or one that deepens divides. Stay curious. Stay informed. Because the future isn't waiting, it's being built right now, and we all have a role in shaping it.